Hi, I'm Tim Griffin. I'm an instructor of mechanical technology and mechatronics. Originally, I'm from the Nashville, Tennessee area. What motivated me to come to JCC was a love for teaching that had been inspired by other teachers in my past that developed this desire to give back to others the way that others had given to me. So, I had this passion for wanting to teach and to help students. So the courses I teach at JCC include a combination of mechanical technology courses and engineering science courses. I'm passionate about technology and engineering. I've had an opportunity in my career to be involved in innovation. JCC Manufacturing Technology Institute, what we call MTI, is vital to the local economy because my industry experience included the opportunity to hire and recruit individuals to work in technology and engineering fields here locally. And I know from my own personal experience that the pool of candidates to choose from in this area is often not large. And so there is a need for more people to be engaging in these manufacturing career paths. We have wonderful facilities here. I think they're real gems for the area. And I think JCC does a great job of meeting students where they are, students from the community, and helping them develop skills to develop a successful path to a career field. And so I encourage folks to investigate and understand what JCC has to offer here locally.